Welcome to the magical city of Rangpur, place where vibrant colors paint every street and people from all walks of life, every religion, and every community live together in perfect harmony. Just look at this place. It's a tapestry of joy and friendship. Let me introduce you to our heroes. This is Aarav, always ready for an adventure. And this is his wise friend, Mira. Say hello to Golu, the cutest, chubbiest dog you'll ever meet. And finally, meet Tinku, the amazing robot with a heart of gold. Today is a very special day in Rangpur. It's the annual Winter Fest. Everyone has gathered in Joy Square to decorate for the big celebration. The air is usually filled with laughter and excitement, but wait a minute, something feels different today. The music of celebration has turned into a murmur of disagreement. Suddenly, a voice cuts through the air. These decorations aren't ours. Take them down. Another person shouts back, no way, we'll decorate it our way. Soon, the square is filled with arguments. Friends and neighbors who were just sharing smiles are now divided, pulling down each other's beautiful creations. The colors of Rangpur are starting to fade into gray. Watching from the side, Aarav turns to Mira, his face filled with worry. Mira, what's happening? Why is everyone fighting like this? Mira looks at the sad scene and sighs. They've forgotten, Aarav. They've forgotten that the Winter Fest is for everyone. It's about celebrating together, not apart. Just when it seems like all hope is lost, Tinku, the robot, rolls into the center of the square. With a whir and a click, he projects a giant, shimmering hologram of a rainbow into the sky for all to see. Wait, Tinku's friendly voice rings out. If a rainbow had only one color, would it still be beautiful? The children in the crowd look up and shout in unison, no. Tinku continues, exactly. And just like a rainbow, our beautiful country needs all its different colors to be truly wonderful. Inspired by Tinku's words, Aarav and Mira grab some chart paper and colors. The kids all join in, creating a poster that shows people of all backgrounds holding hands. Aarav, feeling brave, climbs onto a small stage and speaks into a microphone. We may look different, we may pray differently, but we are all one family. Mira adds, making others sad can never bring us happiness. Let's celebrate our differences together. Slowly, the adults stop arguing. They look at the children, at their simple yet powerful message of unity. Tears well up in their eyes as they realize their mistake. The tension melts away, replaced by smiles and hugs. An elderly man puts his hand on a child's shoulder and says, "The children have taught us the most important lesson today. Sharing love is the greatest celebration of all." The festive music returns, louder and more joyful than ever. Everyone starts decorating the square again, but this time, they do it together. They share sweets, dance hand in hand, and the square transforms into a dazzling display of unity and love. As night falls, a magical display of drone lights fills the sky, writing a message for everyone to see. We are different, but we are one. And our heroes, Aarav, Mira, Golu, and Tinku, shout with joy, unity is our greatest strength. Remember, respect everyone and love everyone. Our diversity is what makes us strong. Thanks for watching. This story touched your heart? Please like, share, and subscribe for more tales from Rangpur. See you next time.